Hey guys, so I couldn't find much information about the AOC CQ27G2 and what are the best settings that you can set up with your monitor. But one thing that I want to share is that one thing that you can do and set up is an ICC profile. So when you would come here to ratings.com and ratings.com, you're just going to write to Google ratings AOC CQ27G2, and here you're going to try to find the ICC, and here you're going to have ICC profile download. So change that and maybe it's going to help you. So what you want to do is go to display settings. So we want to write in advanced display info. Right here you're going to have display adapter, and then you're going to have the color management, and here you're going to add the ICC profile, and that could possibly work out and actually change a little bit of things and improve your settings. So I just want to make this quick video for you. I hope it helped you, and have a great day and goodbye.